overview of what Umu Igbo Alliance is. Essentially, it's an organization that was founded. It's part of a movement that started decades ago when the first Igbos began to come to Illinois, to the Chicago area. And so what you see here, myself, Chime, and the people that are participating in this show, we are the children of those Igbos who became very active, who came together, who started several organizations in the Chicago area. They enrolled us in dance classes, traditional dance. They took us to parties, and we came to know each other through those events. So Umu Igbo Alliance was formed from a vision that we wanted to continue to promote and preserve our culture and our rich heritage. Even while we are here in the United States, we understand that first and foremost we're Igbos before we are Americans. And so our goal is to continue to preserve that culture.
And educate individuals.
So you all can come and you can meet each other and meet one another, which we know is code for you can go find your husband or your wife.
Yes.
So,
in fact, I've already been married off like 15 times.
Exactly. So we know that that's one of the perhaps unspoken reasons, but we know that it's in our parents' minds when they're thinking about Umu Igbo Alliance, they're already playing matchmaker. So let me just put that out there, because if they're not going to tell us, at least we already know, those of us who are experiencing that right now. What you see tonight, you'll be educated, you'll be entertained, and with that, I want to keep the show going.